unbiased Done For You Suite 3.0 review. As there is a lot of buzz about Done For You Suite 3.0, I thought of making an honest video about this product to give you a clear idea about it. So Done For You Suite 3.0 is the world's only software that can give you automatic Google's ranking, traffic and sales within just a few buttons click. And the Done For You Suite 3.0 also help you in creating 100% unique content and gives you a better Google ranking with their social syndication system and automated backlinking. And with this Done For You Suite 3.0, your website's article and YouTube's video can reach thousands of new targeted people within just 48 hours. And I don't want to waste your valuable time talking about unnecessary things. In this video, I will cover what is Done For You Suite 3.0, how does it work, is it really effective or not, who is this for, what's new in Done For You Suite 3.0, bonuses from vendor, and should you buy it or not. So what is Done For You Suite 3.0? We all already know about that getting page 1 ranking is one of the best ways to get free and targeted traffic. So Done For You Suite 3.0 is a powerful Done For You social syndication system that helps you to dominate Google and YouTube without doing any of the work yourself. Done For You Suite 3.0 also allows you to get free targeted buyer traffic in only 48 hours or less by leveraging the power of this high quality Done For You social syndication system. We all know that there are mainly 3 steps to ranking on page 1. Number 1 is keyword research, which is very easy to do. Number 2, on-page optimization, and this is also very easy to do. But number 3, content syndication or backlinks is the part that most people struggle with, and this step also takes the most amount of time and effort of the ranking process. Done For You Suite 3.0 simplifies the entire social syndication process so that anyone can tap into the power of page 1 ranking from any location and any language with. How does it work? Done For You Suite is a 100% Done For You social syndication system and ranking system for you and your clients. That means you can rank your website's article or YouTube's video on the page 1 ranking, as well as you can help your clients to get their articles or videos in page 1 ranking. And you can start this powerful social syndication system in just simple 3 steps. Yes, step number 1, logging to their web-based portal. Step number 2, submit your keywords and URL you want to traffic for. And number 3, hit the submit button and they will do the rest of work for you. Yes, it's that easy. Now, is it really effective or not? We all know that websites and videos without traffic means nothing. Done For You Suite 3.0 is a powerful Done For You social syndication system that allows you to get as much page ranking and free traffic as you would like. And it also helps you to dominate Google and YouTube with doing any of the work yourself. See, with Done For You Suite 3.0, you don't have to install any software, you don't have to learn any software training, you don't need to any previous SEO knowledge or experience, you don't need to create any social account, you don't need any content besides their URL, you don't need any proxies or captchas and none of that stuff. And with Done For You Suite 3.0, you can submit any URL. It can be a video, a niche site, and Amazon pages, and e-commerce stores, anything. and you can schedule how fast or how slow you want to your syndication to be done, and it can let the system generate the content for your campaigns for you, and it's 100% done for you, so you don't have to do any of this work. You only submit your QRL and keywords and URL, and you can also supply the content if you would like. This is 100% optional, and you will have full access to your syndication report once it's been completed, and much more. Here are some example of page 1 ranking using Done For You suite. See, one of the users of Done For You suite 3.0 get their page 1 ranking in just 23 minutes. Another one get their page 1 ranking in only 25 minutes for another buyer keyword. Another get their page 1 ranking in only 26 minutes. And for another buyer keyword, one get their page 1 ranking in under 10 minutes. So you can also use the Done For You suite because it is really effective. Now, who is this for? Done For You suite is suitable for all kinds of online business. With Done For You suite, you can able to rank your videos on page 1. You can rank your niche site on page 1, and also you can rank your e-commerce sites, your Amazon listing, your client sites, and rank any URL you would like to get traffic for. And Done For You suite is perfect for affiliate marketers, social media marketers, local marketers, business owner, agencies, video marketers, online marketers, bloggers, freelancers, designers. So if you any of them, you can use Done For You suite 3.0. Now, what's new in Done For You suite 3.0? In their 3.0 updates, they have made their platform better, faster, and more powerful to deliver you even more rankings, traffics, and sales. See, in version 3.0, they have new streamlined 3-step campaign submission system, which means you can complete your steps in only 3 steps, which takes only a few seconds to complete. And they have 5x their number of sites, 5x the authority system, and 5x the ranking powers, which means now instead of being able to get up to 200 different syndication links to your content, you can get up to 1000. So next one is Done For Your rankings on a global level with worldwide language support. So Done For You suite 3.0 now finally here to multi-language support. They now cover every language you can think of, so you can get your page 1 rankings regardless of where you are in the world. And they also updated their server setup to include IPs from all over the world to supercharge their new worldwide ranking powers. And they also updated their content generation system, which is now powered by real artificial intelligence for more relevancy to get more ranking power for your campaigns. And they also triple their platforms, triple their variation, triple their speed of rankings with the inclusion of their own private blog network. And they also added lots of cool feathers designed to continue to be get page 1 ranking. Now, bonuses from vendor. Done For You suite offers mainly 6 bonuses which worth totally $762. Bonus number 1 is agency rights to Done For You suite. It is worth of $197. Bonus number 2 is sub syndicator features with 3 licenses. This is also worth of $197. Another one is automatic Done For You video embeds for even faster video rankings, and this is worth of $97. Another one is keyword bootcamp training. This is worth of $37. Bonus number 5 is live client attraction bonus training. This is worth of $197. And bonus number 6 is perfect optimization blueprint. This is worth of $37. So now, should you buy it or not? Done for You Suite allow you to get free targeted buyer traffic in only 48 hours or less, and it also offers you a 100% done for you system, so you don't have to do any of the work. You don't have to create any social account, you don't have to download any software, and you don't have to deal with any proxies or captchas, and you can start your work within only 3 steps, which takes less than 20 minutes to complete. You will able to rank your videos, your websites, or any URL on page 1 of Google and YouTube. And even if you are a 100% newbie, then also you can use Done for You Suite 3.0, and the front-end price is around $47 to $67, which is very worthable, and there is no risk of losing your money because they provide a 30 days money back guarantee. So yes, Done for You Suite 3.0 surely worth a try, and I don't offer you any bonuses because I think there is no need of extra bonuses. When the product is good enough, there is no need of extra bonuses. Done for You Suite 3.0 along with their vendor bonuses is good enough for you. I have put the official's website link in my description box, so check it out now, and hope this review was helpful for you. Thanks everyone.